welcome back to my channel and welcome back to me. I think I owe you guys an explanation. So before we start this vlog, I just want to apologize for being Mia lately. Life has been incredibly busy lately here in New Zealand, and I wanted to take this moment to catch you up on everything that's been happening in my life here. And also, I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the opportunities and open doors that have come my way recently. This year has truly been a milestone for me. First, I am so thrilled to share that I've landed several modeling jobs, which is a dream come true for me. I tried runway and photo shoots with different designers. I am so grateful for the experience, the creativity, and the incredible people I've met along the way. And guess what? Last September, I received my New Zealand resident visa. I was completely surprised and over the moon. It truly marks a new chapter in my life here in New Zealand. And if you guys been following me on social media, you guys already know it. And to celebrate, I took a wonderful vacation back to the Philippines last October. It's so freaking refreshing to reconnect with family and friends, enjoy the beautiful beaches, and indulge in some delicious Filipino food. Thank you all for being part of my journey. I can't wait to share more adventures with you soon, and I hope you guys understand if ever I'll be busy again, but I will try my best to update you guys and do more vlogs. I miss you guys so much. I am just gonna fix my hair and makeup, and I'll see you guys later. So, I'm in the car right now, and just to let you know guys that today is an extra special day because it's my birthday! I'm taking you along for a fun-filled day of shopping, of course, dinner, and a movie. So without further ado, let's get started! Alright, so we are walking right now, and join me as I celebrate with some fun activities, starting with a little shopping. First stop is the Chanel store. I'm actually on the hunt for a few birthday gifts for myself, but they messaged me last few days and they said they have a complimentary gift for me. So that's why I'm here, and let's check out some items inside and let's see what catches my eye. So they actually gave me 3 options: natural makeover, skin ritual, and head and arm massage. I don't want anyone to touch my face yet, so I chose the hand and arm massage because I think I badly need that. Yeah, it smells good.
Okay. Yeah, so I will use this one. Yeah.
This one smells so good. This is the perfume.
So what did you do, you say?
Oh, I'm a model.
For fashion.
Fashion show, yeah. And photo shoots.
Nice, interesting.
That's my part-time job.
Oh, so how long you been doing?
A year in
now?
New Zealand. And
In New Zealand?
yeah.
So where you from?
Philippines. I also do modeling in the Philippines.
Do you like it?
Of course, yeah. It's like a
so
dream
you
come
can do
true.
it. I've been to Manila.
Really?
Yeah, many years ago.
And how do you like it?
Oh, like it. My husband also like it.
How's the weather for you?
Oh, hot.
It is very humid.
Very, very hot.
I know.
Yeah.
Did you went there for vacation?
No, for work.
Ooh,
Yeah.
wow.
Because I should travel a lot in Europe and Asia.
Bring me with you. Ruby is the one who did my makeup during
beautiful.
a beauty pageant.
She's very good. So you use Chanel products, are you?
Yeah, perfume. I got Chanel perfume. That feels so good. Feels relaxing.
It doesn't damage your hair, but it's hydrate your hair. It's spray some for you. Go round.
Oh, feels so good. I feel expensive today.
So I spray some here. So you can just take. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Chanel towel.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. Birthday gift.
It's good for travel.
I know,
use
it's
it
so
at home.
cute. Oh, I love it.
You can't
Thank
get
you.
anywhere.
So they're giving this one for me as a birthday gift. It's so cute.
Strong.
Thank you. I love it. You are so extra. Making my birthday special. Oh my god.
Choose which one. This is the star. This is the number 5. So you can wear as a pendant or even your bangles. Or
Maybe-
even put on your bag.
Maybe I want this winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, thank you. I feel so overwhelmed right now. They actually like spoiled me a lot of stuff in here. Got it! Cute! Alright, so done with Chanel. On to our second store. We are heading to Louis Vuitton. So this is the bag that I actually really want. Oh, cute! This one is also pretty. Do you have a mirror? Okay, so I'm a bit confused which one to pick. I'm trying two different colors of this bag. This one or this one. They also gave us a complimentary green. Cheers!
I suggest this middle one.
It's too big, yeah. I think the font is too big
Not
too.
super flat here at the bottom. Will look better.
Yeah, that one would be nice.
We'll put it in the middle.
Yeah, thank you. Yay! All done?
Hold on.
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Ah, so cute. Wow. Okay, update. I'm in the car again. Time check, it's 7 p.m. We are heading to my birthday dinner. And as you can see, I changed my outfit for tonight. This is my look. See you guys later. This is our dinner. I got some lamb and then pork belly, fried chicken, and then cauliflower. Bon appetit! So good. So good. Love it. Cheers. I love this one. It's so tasty. Thank you. No, it's okay. All good. I'll make a wish. Thank you. Here or here? Maybe here. Alright, so before we end this vlog, I think it's nice to unbox the gift that I got for my birthday. As you can see, I'm on a different look today. I just finished my modeling job. I'm so freaking tired, to be honest, but I really want to do this unboxing with you guys. So let's get started. After my fashion show today, one of the organizers gave us a gift, so I think it would be nice to unbox this gift. And this is the gift that I got. It's Jasmine Lee of World Madame. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what's inside. Let's see. Oh wow, what's this? To be honest, I don't have any idea what kind of product is this, but this is the packaging looks like. As you can see, they gave me a lot. Thank you, Jasmine Lee of World Madame. For my second gift, it's actually a complimentary gift from Chanel. And I feel so spoiled because they gave me a lot of birthday gifts. And this is the box. It's so big. First, they gave me this chain. It's so cute. Actually, they gave me two options, but I chose this one. It's a winter light chain. It's so pretty, right? Let's unbox the first box from Chanel. So, they actually gave me 3 sets of face towel. This is how it looks like with a Chanel logo. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one because it's Chanel, you know. Let's unbox the second Chanel box. This one feels a bit heavy. Let's unbox this one. Feels like there's so many products inside. Ta-da! First, I got the body cream. One of the staff recommended this one if you want to do massage and just apply this onto your body. It feels so good and it smells so good. Second item, I have the hair mist. I never use hairspray or hair mist on my hair, but why not? This one is interesting. third item, we have the long-lasting eyeliner, waterproof. I think I badly need this one because it's almost summer here in New Zealand. Of course, we're going to the beach. And they also gave me some freebies. Thank you so much, Chanel. And last but not the least, this is actually a gift from my partner. It's from Louis Vuitton. Okay, first, I have here the receipt, of course. They also gave me this letter saying happy birthday. They're so sweet. And the moment of truth, I've been eyeing this bag for a long time. And finally, I got my first LV bag. I'm so excited. Okay, let's unbox this one. The moment of truth. And this is how it looks like. Ta-da! It's so pretty, right? Since it's my first LV bag, I think I need to choose the one that is very obvious. Like, you know what I mean? There's also a wallet inside the bag, and they also engraved my initial, LA. And also another pouch, which is so cute. Finally, I have my first LV bag. Alright, that's it for my birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as I do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye! See you soon!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.